when you have an array, such as these numbers here, and you want to put them into a column, there are a few ways to do this. The first and the most tedious is to take each part and put it together like this. Now, this array only has 3 columns, so imagine doing that with 50. That would be very, very time consuming. So another way to do this is to use TOCOL. And right now, I'm going to put in the range. So I put in the range, and it puts it into a single column. But what it does is it goes this way, and then this way, and then this way. So we can fix that by typing in a 1 here and then true. The true part says that it will scan the column to double check it. And now you can see the column is in order. Yeah. I'm looking forward to trying this with a string and a list of strings and seeing what happens then.